Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Fairfigure and the Fairfigure Capital Card, as well as a demo of the back end of the premium account and all the updated changes and news. For those that are unfamiliar with Fairfigure and you're trying to build up your business credit, I highly advise you to use the link in the description below and sign up. You're going to get, I believe, 25% off the first month, but it's going to get you up to 2 business trade lines reported at all the business bureaus. And why Fairfigure is better than NAV, although you should still have NAV and eCredible, but in my opinion, Fairfigure is the clear winner. And we'll get into why I believe that in a moment. And if you're one of those that's been following me for quite some time and you've seen the past Fairfigure videos, but you haven't pulled the trigger yet, then I highly advise you go ahead and pull the trigger. We're at the end of the month right now, and these trade lines can be reported literally in about a week from now. That's going to help you build your business credit and get to the next level. This is a foundation step that I highly advise you to do. So what is Fairfigure? I'll try to make this brief and quick as possible. So in short, Fairfigure is a business credit building tool and a platform. Their user interface is by far better than any other competitor out there. And they offer so much for such a little amount. And like I said, you're going to get, I believe, 25 or 50% off using GBC50 as the promo code, and the link in the description below. So if you're trying to build up business credit, just stop, sign up for the premium account. It's literally less than $30 a month. And for that monthly fee, you're getting access to all the scores and the reporting and the tools and the monitoring. But then you also are getting the trade line reported to the bureaus as well. So it's going to help you. Anyways, so let's go over the dashboard real quick. This is a premium account, a demo account that I have. This is what you're going to see, the Fairfigure Foundation score. That score is based on their own internal factors, but a lot of it comes down to what's in your business bank account and time in business, account history, all that, because you do have to connect to your business bank account. It's not required, but if you want to get the Fairfigure Capital Card, then you're going to have to do that. Now, the Fairfigure Capital Card, if you do get approved for it, it's issued right away. They give you a virtual card. However, the Fairfigure Capital Card, it's not really advised if you have good personal credit and you already have some business credit built up, because it's not very cheap. However, it's an option to get you a secondary trade line also reported to the Small Business Financial Exchange. So I'll leave that for you to decide. The payback terms, I believe, is 4 weeks and 8 weeks. Obviously, the 8-week is going to be more expensive than the 4-week, but that's not what this video is about. It's mainly because I want you guys to sign up for just the premium account. Don't worry really about the Fairfigure Capital Card. Can deal with that down the line. As you can see, they report to Dun & Bradstreet monthly, and you get your paydex score, shows your trade lines and payment experiences, your Equifax score. Again, this is a demo account, so not everything's going to be shown. Yours is going to be likely a lot more data rich. You're going to see the Equifax score and experiences if you have any trade lines with them, as well as credit safe, the risk score, the credit evaluation, the recommended credit limit of your business. And then they are reporting to Experian. They're just trying to get that all integrated. So stay tuned for that, but you're going to see another box here that's going to show Experian. That's what I like about Fairfigure. One, look how nice and clean their dashboard is. And you can change it to light or dark. I like the dark. Back to what I was saying. You're going to get a trade line reported to all 4 bureaus every month, and possibly the Small Business Financial Exchange if you get the Capital Card as well. But you're going to get that, and it's less than $30 a month. You can't beat it, honestly, because even eCredible doesn't report to all 4, and NAV doesn't report to all 4. I believe NAV's only reporting to 2 right now. So if you look down here, it says, please wait while you evaluate your cash flow. That's when you connect your business bank account. You're going to see all that data. Next, if we go over to the monitoring button, go over to the foundation report, you can see that. Again, look how cool and nice the user interface is. It's not confusing, very clean and clear, but basically it's all self-explanatory. You're going to see the trade line summary, bureau identifier, the total trades across the board, balance owed, outstanding. Hopefully you don't have any outstanding, total credit limit. It's going to show the collections. You want to see all green, clean slate, public records. Hopefully that also says clean slate as well. Then if you go to scores and limits, you're going to see funding amount, if you have any funding, your credit limit, overall risk score, Equifax payment index score, Paydex score, Dun & Bradstreet inquiries. For any of those that have NAV, you're not going to see any of this. The basic reports that NAV gives you, they don't break down and show you a lot of this data. So you're going to get so much more. It really is a no-brainer. You're going to see under trade experience, your total trade. This is with all the bureaus combined. Then credit safe, Dun & Bradstreet, and Equifax. Self-explanatory. Like I said, you're going to see the Experian here soon. That's going to be added in. They're just working out all the integration and everything. That takes time. And then next you'll see the premium tools. They have the new Credit Lounge AI. It's like a podcast. So that's another feature might be beneficial for you to watch. I haven't really checked into that too much. Then you can see Credit Correct. You have to verify. I don't have this verified because this is a demo account. But you can, with Fairfigure, they help you update data with the bureaus as well. So anyways, that's all for now. The main goal of this video is just sign up with the link in the description below for the Fairfigure premium account. Or even if you don't use my link, that's fine. Just go to fairfigure.com, but the promo code, just use uppercase GBC50 and you should get a discount off that. Should take about $10 off if I'm not mistaken. And that's going to get you trade lines to all 4 bureaus. And you could start seeing them as early August. So don't wait any longer. We're at the end of the month. It's the 24th right now. That's just one more step that's going to help you to achieve your business credit goals. Get stacks of business credit cards, okay? And this is one tool that will help you get one step closer to get approved for the no PG business credit lines. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. If anybody is interested in my one-on-one business credit mentorship, I have, I think, 2 or 3 spots. Just text the number below, 937-423-9954. We can do a free consultation today. Just text me and we can schedule it for either today or tomorrow and we can go from there. Anyways, with all that being said, you guys take care. Stay tuned. I got more videos dropping very soon. Make sure all notifications are turned on and give the video a thumbs up. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.